Welcome back, 18!
Former Sony Philippines executive Roslyn Pineda has taken to social media after witnessing SB19's electrifying performance at Akon 2025, delivering a reaction that captured both astonishment and pride. "What in the world was that?" Pineda explained, tagging SB19's official. She noted the group's grueling schedule, back-to-back-to-back shows in Melbourne, Sydney, and Kaohsiung, and admitted she had only expected consistency across the marathon run. Instead, SB19 stunned with a fresh arrangement and a surprise dance break. Pineda jokingly asked, "Saan kayo nag-rehearse? Sa eroplano?" before sharing how her face broke into the biggest smile when the group shouted from the Philippines on stage. Her post closed with a heartfelt declaration, "I think whatever position I hold and wherever I am in the world, I will always be rooting for you." The reaction underscores how SB19 continues to inspire pride among Filipinos worldwide, proving that even amid impossible schedules, the group finds ways to innovate and uplift.